Yes, good morning children. Welcome back to your online classes. The last class we started lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. We have completed exercise 1. So we'll start exercise 2. Open page number 109. Yes, exercise 2. Exercise 2, page number 109. Yes, find the sum. Find the sum means it's addition only. Find the sum. Find the difference means it's a subtraction. Find the sum means it is addition. Now I'll do first sum. I can't do all the sums, children. So I'll do first sum. 6, 3, 8, 5, 6. 2, this is A, first sum. 7, 1, 0, 9. So this is addition. Next I'll do second sum also because that is 4 digit and 5 digit. 3, 8, 1, 0, 1. Next is 2916. Ones, tens, 100,000. You should write 6, 1, 9, 2. Addition. Last one I'll do E. E1 I'll do, children. This is B. B sum. Here I'll do E sum. Other and all you should only do 6 digit also it is there. It's okay. E1 I'll do. See here. 4, 2, 3, 8, 1, 6. Next is 1, 2, 1, 0, 3. 3, 2, 7, 4. 3, 2, 1. Yes, you should write like this step by step. See, if you write here 1 digit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit, you should not start this 1 from here, this 3 from here. As I told how you should write. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, lakh up to lakh, 7 digit, 6 digit number are there. See here, when you write this 302 means, see here 300 from hundreds place only you should start. When you write 3000, 4 digit number means 1, 2, 3, thousands place, 3000 from here you should start. Here 12,000 means from 10,000 place. So by saying that from where you should start, you should write. See, if you write like this 4, 2, 3, 8, 1, 6. 1, 2, 1, 0, 3. 3, 2, 7, 4. 3, 2, 1. If you write, you can count like this. This is wrong. By saying that step by step. Okay, step by step. See, when you write no like this. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So there, how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit here, 6 digit. So 5 digit means 12,103. Start from here. 3, 0, 1, 2, 1. You should come from the right side. That is 3,274. 4, 2, 7, 2, 3. So you should write from your right side. You should write step by step neatly. Got it? So here how many sums are there? 3, 6, 7, 8 sums are there. I am doing only 3 sums. Other and all, page number 109, exercise 2. Other and all, you should only try. Evening you'll be simply sitting watching movies and all. So in the textbook, write direct answer in the pencil. With your pencil you write. Then only if you do mistake also you can erase and write. Yesterday, last class, exercise 1 and tables, I have given as homework book. No, write in blue gel pen. This and all write directly. This is practice book. So which you can write answers in the textbook. You can write answers in the textbook only. See, last class arrange vertically and add the sum. That you can practice in rough book. This and all direct answers you can write it in the textbook. Which you can't write in the textbook. Practice rough book. You should practice the sums. Which I'll give homework now. Last I'll give homework that you should write in homework book only, 200 pages this year. Those who have done admission, you can write. Those who have not done the admission, please do the admission. Okay, pay some amount. Okay, pay some amount, do the admission, collect the books and complete. Within this week or next 10 days, we'll send PDF also for your classwork. You can complete. Okay, don't write at home in the classwork what I'm giving on the board. This and all, you should use rough book. Okay, homework last I'll that you keep homework book. Homework, whenever I'll do max 3 classes are there weekly. So 3 classes also I'll give the homework. So write neatly. Okay, use blue gel pen, no red pen, black, green, no anything, only blue gel pen children. Use and write neatly step by step. Okay, now this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. For 10,000, TH. Okay, so these 3 sums I'll do. 6 in the mind, 9 on my fingers, 9 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5, 1 carry. 5 in the mind, 0. 5 in the mind, 1 on my finger. After 5, 6. 8 plus 1, 8. 1 finger, 8 after 9. 3 in the mind, 7 on my fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 number comments. 1 you should write in 10,000s place. Okay, see here you are counting this thousands place. Thousands place, if you count 2 number comments, 0 is in thousands place. Here 1 will be in 10,000s place. 1 carry will be in 10,000 because you counted thousands place. 1 carry will go to 10,000 place. So 6 plus 2, 6 afterwards, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 90,965. Now this also same. So 5-digit number and 4-digit number. Here no carry. See 1 plus 6, 1 in the mind, 6 on my finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 plus 1, 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. In 100 place you counted 1 plus 9 plus 1, 10. 1 will go for thousands place. Here 8 plus 2. 8 in the mind, 2 fingers. 8 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 8, 9, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 will be in thousands place. 1 carry will be in 10,000s place. Yes, when you count this, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry will be in 10,000s place. So here, no number, only 3. Will you write 3 here? No. What you should do? 3 plus 1, 4. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 41,000 and 17. So third number, see, E sum 6, 3, 4, 1. 4 number you should count. Keep it in the mind and count. So when you count, no, keep it in the mind. 6 in the mind, 3 on my finger. Keep the fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind, 4 on my finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 in the mind, 1 on my finger. After 13, 14. 4 here, 1 carry will be in tens place. 1 carry will be in tens place. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 7, 1 in the mind, 7 on my finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 8, 9, 10, plus 1, 1 carry. 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 in be in hundreds place. See, when you count this, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry will be in hundreds place. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. 11 plus 3, 12, 13, 14. Plus 1, 15. You should keep where you are counting. If you want, you can write, see, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 9 afterwards, 10, 11. 11 plus 3, see, when I count this, I got 9. 9 afterwards, 10, 11. 11, 11 in the mind, 3 on my finger, after 11, 12, 13, 14, plus 1, 15. So I wrote 15, 5 here, in hundreds place, thousands place, 1 carry. 3 plus 2, 3 in the mind, 2 on my finger, after 3, 4, 5. 5 in the mind, 3 on my finger, after 5, 6, 7, 8. Here no number, 8 plus 1, 9. Here no number, you should not go for this number, see. So by seeing, you should write numbers straight, so you can add properly. So here 9, 2 in the mind, 1, 3, 4, direct number, I will write. So how much you got the answer? Ones place, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. You got like this. 4 lakh. See, lakhs place 4 lakh, 39,514. So here 7, 8 sums are there, children. I have done only 3 sums. Exercise 2. Exercise 2 I did only 3 sums. Other sums you have to try at home. Okay. Yes, second main. Add the following. Write them in vertical column first. Add the following. Write them in vertical. I told horizontal means sleeping line. Vertical means standing line. So how they are given? I'll write first one. A. This is second main. 3,43,212, 92,113, 4,817, 763. Can you add like that? No. What you should do? You should write in vertical. Okay. See, first number I'll copy like that only. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Ones, tens. You should always, when you write this place value, you should start from the right side. You should not write ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. This is lakh. So here this you finished. So I'll copy next number. 92,130. 92,000. So 5-digit number. You should start from right side number. 3, 1, 1, 2, 9. See how straight I have written. Next, this number we have finished. Next, 4-digit 1, 2, 3, 4. But we'll start from the right side only. When you write, no, you can start 1,000, 4,000. So you can start from thousands place. But you write straight like this. 7, see ones place. 1, 8, 4. Last one, see this I have finished. Hundreds place. 3, 6, 7. Addition. Okay, when we give horizontal, you should write in vertical like this. You should not start 92,000, 4,000. You should not start from here. You should start from your right side, right like this. Okay. So first sum, exercise 2, second main. First sum, 2 in the mind, 3 on my finger, after 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 2 in the mind, 3 on my finger, after 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5. 5 in the mind, 7 on my finger, after 5, 7 on my finger, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 12. 3, 12 in the mind, 3 on my finger, after 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, 5 will be in ones place, 1 carry will be in tens place. Next number, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 3 in the mind, 6 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, got it? 2 in the mind, 1 on my finger. 2 after 3. 3 plus 8, 3 plus 8. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 7, 11, 7. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Plus 1, 19. 1 carry will be in thousands place. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from the beginning I am teaching 3 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 5 in the mind, 4 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 1, 10. 1, 0 will be in thousands place. 1 will be in 10,000s place. 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus 1, 14. 4 will be here, 14. 1 will be in lakhs place. So 3 plus 1, here no number. 3 plus 1, 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, comma. 2. See, because 1000 means here. 10,000 you should not put comma. After 10,000 in lakhs place. Because 1000 and 10,000 will be same. 4 lakh 40,905. When you add this all, no, you will get 4,40,905. I did one sum. Next sum, still one more I will do, children. Copy down this. This and all you can't do in textbook. So when box answers is there, no, when they left box for your answers, you can write directly in the pencil in the textbook. When no place, see this, they have given the question like this. For to do this, there is no place. This you should practice in your rough book. Okay, don't write in classwork. No homework also this. This is your rough book. So practice this sum, how to write step by step. Because you are using pen in this 4th standard, no? So practice in your rough book, okay? Yes, I did first one and I'll do last one, D1, okay? For A1 I did, now D1. So last sum, only one I do, this is D1. Other and all, just you practice, children. 4, 2, 8, 5. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 4-digit number, that's all. So when you do 4-digit number, next is 4-digit only. 7, 1, 3, 6. Next is 8, 2, 4. Next is 2-digit, 2, 7. Addition. So, see, step by step I have written 5 in the mind, 7 on my finger after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you do this, 12. 12 plus 8, 12 in the mind, 8 on my finger after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 2 here, see, always you may think 2, 1 carry only will come. No, here I got, when I add all this, I got 22. See, when I add this, 5 plus 7, I got 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 2, 20 in the mind, 2 on my finger after 20, 21, 22. I got here 22. Think, you may think 1 carry. No, it's wrong, children. 1 carry always won't come 1 carry. It may come 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, how much ever it may come. See here, 2, 2, 22. 1's place, 10's place. 1's place I have written 2. So, this 2 will go for 10's place, 2 carry. See, this is 2 carry, not 1 carry over 2. 22 I got, so I written 2. 8 in the mind, 1 on my finger, after 8, 9. 9 in the mind, 2 on my finger, after 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, you should write 0. 20, see here, I got 20. 0 here, this 2 will go for carry over 2. Always you will get 1 carry. No, here I got all 2 carries only. 2. 2 plus 3, 2, 3, 2 after, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 I got here, 1 will be here, 1 carry will be for next number. 6 plus 4, you know it's 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So see, here 1 carry, a 2 carry, 2 carry. So 11,102. When you add all this, you will get 11,102. Got it? Yes, copy down. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes, exercise 2, you completed first main, you completed second main. Third main, fill in the blanks. Third main, fill in the blanks. Third main, first one, fill in the blanks. Second one, third one. How much it is there? 4, 5, 6, 7. Write direct answer. Okay, children. 999 plus 1. Oh, 8 it is there, children. Sorry. A, B, C, like that. First one is A. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. When you write 999 plus 1, you write here plus 1. No, from the right side, plus 1. When you add this, see here, greatest number. Yes, no, this is greatest 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Greatest 5-digit number. When you add 1 for greatest 5-digit number, what the answer will come? 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry, 1 plus 9, 10. 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit, smallest 6-digit number. This is 5-digit greatest number. When you add 1 for it, you will get how much? 6-digit smallest number. This is lakhs. So 1 lakh. So what is your answer? A1. 1 lakh. Don't write so near. Leave little place. Write 1 lakh. Now B. See B. A1 is here. B1 that side only. So don't write line by line. This is B sum. Second one B. This is A. B1 is 56,250. When the answer also same means what? See 56,250 plus answer is 56,250. When question is also same, answer is also same, what the number will be here? It will be 0. If 0, 0 only, the answer comes same. So second one answer is 0. Okay. Got it? Third one, C. C1 means what? 4285 plus your answer will be 4286. If you want, see here 8 will be same, 2 will be same, 4 will be same. Here if you want 6 means 5 afterwards 6. So 1. 5 if we want 6. So 5 after 6 it is answer is 1. So C1 is 1. Got it? D1. the sum of the largest 5-digit number and 1 is, I told no, largest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The largest 5-digit number and 1 means you will get same answer, 1 lakh. D1, same. Fifth one, the smallest, the sum of the largest 3-digit number and the least 4-digit number. See here, largest 3-digit number. Okay, the smallest, the least 4-digit number is, this is 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Smallest 4-digit number, the least, the greatest 3-digit number, 9991. Your answer will be 1999. They have asked the question, see here, the sum of the largest 3-digit number. You can write up also, no problem. You can write 999,000. Here the question is the smallest, means the largest 3-digit number, the least 4-digit number. I told 9 means greatest 1-digit number. Smallest will be 1 only. So 2-digit number, greatest is 999. Place value chart I told. The smallest is 1010. This is 999, 3-digit. 3-digit will be 100, like that. This is greatest, this is smallest, 4-digit, 3-digit. When you add, you will get the same answer here. Sixth one, that means F, the number or values being added or called, number or values. When added, this is addends. See, this is sum. This is addends. Okay, this is number values, number or values. When we add for addends, this, when we got the sum, this we call as addends. Okay. The number or value after adding the addends, see, after number or values, after adding this, we add addends, the answer we called as sum. When the number or values adding the addends, this is addends, it is called as sum. The last one, 635,850 plus 0 means the answer will be same. Let's copy down these answers line by line. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes, after that, adding 10 to a number, example sums. When we add 10 to a number, the digit at 10th place is increased by 1. Okay, where adding 100 means when we add 100 to a number, the digit at 100th place is increased by 1. See here. For example, first sum, plus 10. See, when we add, the 10th place will be increased. 10th place, here this will be same. 5, this 10th place, 7 plus 1, 8. After it will be same. So when we do, this is 10th, add 10 to, add 10. If we add 10, see 10th place only will be increased. See here, next is 3, 2, 4, 1, 7, 8, 9. When we add 100, 100th place only will be increased. 100. When we add 100, 100th place, see this will be same, this will be same. 100th place only 8, 1, 4, 2, 3. So 100th place will be increased. When we add 1000, see here, 2, 4, 8, 3, 1, 7, 3. This is add 1000. Add 1000. 1000 place only will be, see, this is 3, 7, 1, 4, 8, 4, 2. So here all the number will be same. Only the thousands place will be increased. Here tens. This is ones, tens. Tens place will be increased. Other will be same. 100. This is hundreds. 100 no. Hundreds place will be increased. This is 1000. Thousands place will be increased. Other number will be same. Okay. Next, order of addends. Order of addends. There is no change in the sum when the addends are added in different order. For example, see 42,876 plus 38,907. See when we add, see here 42,876 plus 38,907. Here 38,907. There is no change in the sum. Sum means answer. Sum means it is answer. When the addends are added in different. This is the addends. Second sum. This is the addends. When we addends will be added in different order. See 42,876, 38. This is added. Addend will be up. This number value will be down. When we do change also, you will get the answer. See here 81,783. 81,783. Your answer will be C. 6 plus 7, 13, 1 carry, 8, 8 and 17, 1 carry, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you add this also, you will get answer. When we exchange this addends, no different order, your answer will be same. Okay, so now I'll give the homework. Take out your max homework book. Max homework, tables. 6 and 7 one time. Okay, 6 and 7 one time. Now lesson number 1. Lesson number 1. See, lesson number 1, page number 93 and 94. Lesson number 1, page number 93 and 94. Okay, page number 93. Exercise. This is exercise 3. Exercise 3, second main. Second main and third main. One time. Second main. Exercise 3. First main, abacus it is there. Don't write children abacus because when you draw, it will be a mistake. We'll give it in the classwork. So second main, number names. Write the number name and the number also. Second main is this. Third main is compare using the symbols. Third main, compare using the symbols. This is number and number names. One time, tables one time. So here I'll end my class. Okay children. Thank you.